I'm not sure what's going on with my iPad, so I had to cut number 10 out and bring it to a separate sheet. So yours looks a little different, but it's still the same problem. So here's number 10. A restaurant owner is planning to have a courtyard area sodded. The sod comes in rolls that are 3 feet long by 1 foot wide. If the courtyard measures 60 feet by 50 feet, which of the following represents the number of rolls of sod needed? And they give us a hint right here with the word area. So we're going to take this area of courtyard that is 60 feet by 50 feet. And we're going to put the sod down. If you stretch out the rolls, they are 3 feet by 1 foot. So one thing that I would want to check is that all of my units are the same, and they are. Always check that before you start working. So I would want to know the area of the courtyard itself. So that's going to be 60 by 50. And if I solved it, it would be 3, 0, and 2 more zeros. So 3,000 square feet. And then the area here would be length times width, or 3 times 1. The area of the sod is 3 square feet. And we would be taking those rolls of sod and unrolling them onto this courtyard. So that is division. And I can tell you that the problem involves division. So we can eliminate A, C, and E. So even if you just had to guess, you could narrow it down to B or D. And we know that we're dividing by 3. That's in both of the problems. So the question is, what happens before you divide by 3? And that is right here. We multiplied to get our area. So the answer you want to choose is B, as in Bravo. You could check yourself if you wanted to by doing 3,000 divided by 3. It's going to be 1,000 rolls of sod. And if your answer choice is correct, when you put that through the calculator, it should come up to be 1,000. If it doesn't, something is wrong. But it does, therefore you are fine. If you did option D, where you use parentheses and do the addition, and then divide by 3, you would get 36.6 repeating, which is not the answer you're looking for. So if you're not really sure, go ahead and work it on the calculator and see which answer matches your answer. And that sort of gives you some confirmation that you've done it correctly.